Hey friends, if you wish to install Java JDK on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. I have a link for you. Just go to this website, scroll down, and you can download the x64 compressed archive version. Okay, and this is how you can download Java to your system. You can go for the Windows one, sorry, and then you can download the installer for Windows. This one was for Linux, but this is for Windows. You can get an installer straight away. It's an exe file. All you need to do is click on this exe file and then click on next, next, and let it install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.